What's going on? My name is Michael Petty, and I just made a sale, a gold membership that's $20 additional monthly income added to my income, a $20 monthly residual added to my income. And me and my wife just got back from grabbing something to eat, so I'm just driving down the road and I made a sale. So how do I do this? Automated systems. Create your own automated system that's going to do the selling, that's going to do the telling, that helps you just focus on marketing, such as this video here, driving traffic if you want to do paid traffic, whatever social media platform you want to use, just focus on putting enough value out there, okay? Making a branded funnel using Power Lead system. And if you're wondering if it works, well, you see right here in front of you that people are jumping on board. Keep it simple, focus on your marketing, let your system do the selling, okay? So if you want to see how this system works, you want to see exactly how I brand myself, lead capture page you see before you, the link is down in the description. When you enter your email address, you're going to start getting emails that I use Power Lead system to create the email campaign, and you're going to see how I brand myself every step of the way. So you'll learn this simple strategy, make sales online with less hassle, less stress, no rejection. This sale came through automatically as I was driving down the road, grabbing something to eat, and on my way back, and you get to see exactly how to work. So that's it for this video. Just something real quick. My name is Michael Petty. See you in the next video.